What's going on, Repair Gang? In today's video, I'm going to go over something a little different than normal. I'm actually going to be going over a really good deal that Harbor Freight's having. So if you're looking to get some power tools going, Harbor Freight is just having a killer deal. But before I jump into what I got and what the deal is at Harbor Freight, I want to go over some little stuff going on here. So, big shout out to my big homie Andrew Green. He took the time out of his day, 15 hours out of his day, to build a graphic for me. You're going to see that right here. And I'm going to use that in my videos. It's a little non-intrusive. I don't know why these YouTubers still use actual intros, because they're no good. Like, I don't recommend ever using an intro. But a little call to action like that, that's just going to be there, unintrusive. That's great. If you do need Andrew Green to make you something, check the link in the description. Big homie, glad you helped me out, dude. I love it. And also, one more thing before we get right into it, I have access to the super thanks now. So if you guys leave any kind of super thanks, put a question in there, put something in there, I'll read it out in the next video. So no matter what video you guys super thanks on, even if it's one from a year ago, I'll read them out in my next video at the very end. You know, I'll just say, hey, if it's a question or if it's just something, it'll be like a way I can super chat, because it's after the thing, after the fact, the super thanks is. But I'll be able to still read it out for you guys. So if you guys want to shout out and support the channel, hit that super thanks. But without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into these tools, shall we? So, ladies and gentlemen, right off the bat, I'm going to link Harbor Freight's Twitter down below too. So if you ever guys want to know about good deals, check out their Twitter, follow them. Also follow me on Twitter. At Harbor Freight, I started getting power tools. I got this 3 amp hour battery with my first set of tools I bought. And Bauer Tool has a great lineup, but the batteries, you know, they're just as pricey as any other batteries out there. So I said next time they have a deal, I'm going to go out and get me some tools. So I went out right now all month of June. So if you're watching this right when it's released on the 3rd of the month, all month of June, you can get any brushless tool, in the picture right here too. Any brushless tool. I got the angle grinder this time. I'm also going to pick up the impact, the roto hammer, and the multi-tool. But I got an angle grinder. You get a 5 amp hour battery, which by itself is $60. And then you get a rapid charger, which by itself is $23.99. And then pretty much the tool free. So I'm going to pick these up because 5 amp hour battery is $60. And I can use a lot of the tools. You know, I do have Milwaukee impact, a Milwaukee drill. I have a Hercules impact as well. And I have a Milwaukee hand cutoff saw. But I'm going to pick up probably most of these Bauer tools. If you guys are trying to pick up just one or two, I recommend the impact. It's a very good brushless tool that Bauer has. I recommend the angle grinder. Very good tool. Always used all the time in our industry. And I recommend the roto hammer. Not that we use it all the time, but that tool is the $90 tool as it sits. So might as well buy that. Get a 5 amp hour battery and a charger, you know, for the same price as you just buy the roto hammer itself. And I have the heat gun. I also have the blower. I also have a light. And I just picked up, I don't know why, I'm never going to be hot gluing. But yeah, let's take a look at this thing actually. You know what? Let's take a look at it. Because it was only 20 bucks. I said, you know what? I might as well get it. It's part of the set, right? It's part of the set. So yeah, I bought me a Bauer hot glue gun. So if I'm ever hot gluing, I got me a nice hot glue gun. Don't know what I'll use it for, but it is what it is. See if it came with glue sticks. Oh, it does. Sweet. Comes with 3 of them. And they look like just basic hot glue sticks. So yeah. So if you ever have a problem, or you're trying to get some tools going, because Milwaukee has really good tools. Makita, DeWalt, all really good tools, but Bauer has just as extensive lineup, and the tools are on the cheaper side, and they're really good tools. As a matter of fact, we're going to open up this angle grinder here. Forgive the dust. I bought it at the beginning of, or at the end of last month, right when they were starting the deal for June, and they've been sitting in my car waiting for me to make this video. And Harbor Freight's not paying me or nothing. You know, I'm not getting paid from Harbor Freight. It'd be nice if they did. I just really like their tools. I've always been a fan of them. If you guys have been a fan of this YouTube channel for a long time, you know that's pretty much all I do. Oh, there went all the shit. Instruction manual. The tool itself, it has some heft to it. It has some heft to it. Let me see what dropped. Okay, what dropped was the handle and the tool. I don't have any blades right now, so we'll just screw on the handle, fuck it. But anyways, I already have a charger, one of those double chargers from Bauer. So when I buy extra tools, I'm just gonna have so many chargers. I might give them away. I might just keep them just in case, but I'll have probably 4 or 5 chargers, but the batteries is what I'm after. The tools are secondary, you know, because once you have the tools you need that you use all the time, it's gonna be good to have the roto hammer. But here it is. It got some heft. It's pretty heavy. We're putting a 3 amp hour battery in it because I haven't opened the 5. Yeah, I can see this being used a lot. Plus, unlike the Milwaukee one, this one stands up on its own. The Milwaukee one's battery is offset, so you have to set it like this. This one stands on its own. It's good ingenuity, Bauer. Yeah, pretty good heft, So now I got a hot glue gun. So if I'm ever hot gluing, this one also will stand up on its own. Not without a battery in it, but yeah. So I just want to make this video, give a shout out, tell Andrew Green, you know, homie of the year. I really appreciate it. And if you guys want to super thanks, make sure if you guys want to pick up Bauer tools or if you have any bad experiences, let me know down in the comments below because I'm brand new to the Bauer lineup. I have the money and I just don't see the need to buy really expensive Milwaukee tools when in our industry, the Bauer is going to work just as fine. You know, I'm not going to be running them into the dirt. I might run this in the dirt if I'm grinding heavy. But without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for checking out my channel today. And if you guys want to see more deals like this, or me just going over any kind of deals, whether it's Ryobi, DeWalt, or anything, let me know. I'll keep my eye out. But you gotta let me know by hitting that like button. So, thank you for watching Repair Gang. Have a good day.
Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.